On busy days, Venice, Italy attracts more than 100,000 tourists. And news reports routinely state that Venetians are sick of tourists. Now Venice is imposing an entry fee of as much as €10 for day trippers because it's overwhelmed. It's too bad we can't say that about church. There are precious few churches where it's hard to find a seat or where there's concern about where to put everybody. And what's unfortunate is that in most congregations, there's a ton of people who could attend if they wanted, but instead they choose to stay away. That's inconsistent with the will of God. Hebrews 10:25 says, "Not forsaking the assembling of ourselves together, as the manner of some is, but exhorting one another, and so much the more as ye see the day approaching." If there's a church you can attend, make sure you do, for your own spiritual well-being. I'm John Bradshaw for It Is Written.